front-end LCD replacement.
Checking out the phone and making sure it has normal operation. First thing we want to do is turn this guy off. After that, we'll remove the two pendulums on the side of the phone. We're going to apply some heat to the sides of it to loosen the adhesive. So things strip around all the edges. No longer have to worry about an iPhone home button cable ever since the iPhone 5S that's been there. And of course, there is no more home button. Gently apply some lifting. Now what we'll do is use a thin guitar pick to get into the sides, and we'll pull this metal tool out. Just going through and breaking the seal around the phone. Go back around the other side. We'll turn this guy back off. Gentle lift. We still have the last seal on the top. gently wiggle the screen down as we pull away from the top side. And there we have the inside. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to get to the back plate of all these connections. Pretty much every FPC connector on the motherboard is in this lineup right here. One more screw right there. First thing we want to disconnect is going to be your battery. This connection right here. No, there's no power running through the motherboard now. Now go ahead and disconnect our ear speaker here, this ribbon right here. And we have our LCD connector and digitizer connector. Pull away our screen. We're going to set the motherboard aside for now. We're going to get the ear speaker off of the old screen. Tri-wing again. Use some heat on here to loosen the brackets. Proximity ribbon, proximity sensor on the ribbon. have the microphone underneath of here. Our proximity sensor that goes right here, and our serial microphone right here, and our ear speaker grate. The speaker projects through there. And our replacement screen should look something like this. Pull this tape off here. So we're going to need to reapply our ear speaker up to our section up here. Everything lined up. Now let's get this guy back into the iPhone, give it a power up, see if everything's working properly. I'll reattach it from this angle. Okay, ear speakers in. everything plugged in, we'll power it on.
Actually, get it from WGP, don't get it from IG. Well, does IG have? I need to check that.
Welcome to
Yes, LG.
Para Español, marque 5.
Gotcha.
Pick a number between 1 and 10.
Yeah,
It's 8.
Alright, so our Siri microphone works, our ear speaker works, our proximity sensor works. Everything should be good to go. We'll go ahead and take this back apart and shut her down and wrap her up.
Okay. Yeah, we have 6 got on there. The 49, it doesn't have the house, it just has the digitizer, which we need the actual house. You can't repair it with just the screen. It doesn't matter, we don't get it. Well, I'm the one who does all the LG G5 repairs here. Yeah, it doesn't matter though. No, don't get it. They're out of stock anyways. Alright, thank you. Alright, we're fast. Pretty good. Stop talking how we did that. What's the name of it? Only one.
Alright, we got our screws put back on here.
Yo, I need Dylan to give me a call, please. Have Dylan give you a call? Yes. Okay, will do. Alright, we're fast. Josh, how can I help you? the Dell.
Alright, now we'll seal this back up.
On the other one, we put an SSD in there because your hard drive is bad. So we put an SSD in there, test it out, make sure it's working, install Windows 10 and everything does work. So we just have to put one SSD and then see if you want the data transfer as well. So, is there a certain size hard drive you're looking for? Okay, so they actually have deals going on right now. Our supplier has deals with the 500 gigabyte SSDs. They're $149. And then it's going to be $100 for the install of Windows 10 and to install the operating system. And $65 to move your data over from your old computer to your. No, okay, then it'll just be about $250 to move that. Install the SSD at 500 gigabyte, and then install Windows 10 as well. So you have to order the SSD.
Start from the top of the phone and insert it in those clips until they catch. And once you confirm those clips are in place, slide it on down until all the clips catch.
Let's try to give you a call back. I can just do it.
Turn it back on, do some final tests on it, make sure it's good to go, and then we'll release it to the customer.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do it for you real quick. Just give me 1 minute, alright?
So there we have it, the iPhone 10 screen replacement. This wasn't a very difficult repair as far as iPhones go. Not having the home button or the back plate really cuts out on a lot of time and work involved for the screen replacement. Just having the 3 screws up here for the proximity and ear speaker assembly makes it pretty straightforward. Probably the easiest screen replacement since maybe the iPhone 5C. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any other repair questions or need help on other devices, check out our other videos. We do have a lot of repair how-to videos in our library. Go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.